Reporting live, a significant shift in U.S. policy regarding the conflict in Ukraine has emerged following a meeting between President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. President Trump has urged President Zelensky to seek a diplomatic resolution, stating it is time to stop the killing and make a deal. This comes as Ukraine had been pressing for advanced Tomahawk cruise missiles, a request that appears to have been cooled by the U.S. president. During a press conference following their White House talks, President Trump indicated a desire for both sides to acknowledge current territorial lines, suggesting they let both claim victory, let history decide. This stance represents a notable change from his previous pronouncements about Ukraine reclaiming all its territory. President Zelensky acknowledged the discussion of long-range weapons, but expressed realism about receiving them, noting that the United States doesn't want escalation. He had arrived in Washington hoping to leverage President Trump's evolving engagement with Russian President Vladimir Putin, with whom he has agreed to a new summit. However, Zelensky departed without securing the coveted Tomahawks, as President Trump appears to be prioritizing a diplomatic breakthrough, potentially mirroring the recent Gaza peace deal. President Trump expressed optimism that the conflict could be resolved without the need for such weaponry. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.